Hey guys, Miss Kanata here. I'm just going through making this video on how to create scale drawings on the computer or on a Google Slide assignment. So the example problem we have is Sarah wants to draw a scale copy of her room. Her room is 15 feet wide and 12 feet long. Using the scale, 1 centimeter equals 3 feet, draw a blueprint of her room. And then this grid already is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So before we can even get to the drawing, we want to set up either a table or proportions like we did last week in class. And the first thing we want to write is the scale. So in this problem, in the drawing, the scale is 1 centimeter to 3 feet. And then we know the actual width is 15 and the actual length is 12 feet. So what we need to do is figure out, how do I get from 3 to 15? I know that 3 times 5 is 15, so I have to do 1 times 5. And in the drawing, the width should be 5 centimeters. And then for the next one, I know 3 times 4 is 12, so I have to do 1 times 4, and the actual length here is 4 centimeters. And since this grid is a 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, I need to go 4 centimeters as the length and 5 centimeters as the width, or 4 boxes as the length and 5 boxes as the width. And you can see that I labeled the horizontal is length and the vertical is width. So now I'm going to go up and create a shape, and I'm going to go to rectangle. And again, I know my width is 5, so I'm going to start at the corner of a grid, and I'm going to go down 5 and over 4. Then I'm going to, make this transparent. I'm actually going to change the color. You can change it to whatever you want, and I'm going to change the thickness so we can see. And then I'm going to insert a text box right here, and this is 5 centimeters, which is 5 feet. And then down here, we have 4 centimeters, which is 12 feet. All right, so you're going to go through and do 3 more problems of this, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.